Let's look at the difference between accept and accept. Accept is a verb, A-C-C-E-P-T. It means to receive something that's given to you. For example, if somebody gives you an apology, you can accept an apology. You can accept a gift. You can accept an idea. You can accept a suggestion. You can also accept money. Now let's look at accept. Accept is a preposition, E-X-C-E-P-T. It expresses exception or when something's not included. For example, I love all vegetables except broccoli. I love my English class, except when my teacher gives me too much homework. I go to the gym every day except Wednesdays. I don't go to the gym on Wednesdays. So that's it for the English tips for today. Don't forget to read, write, listen and speak in English every day. And we'll see you in the next video.